Now you can start.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the session. So today, I'm sure like whatever I gave you the understanding on in the previous session, in the first session, you have completed that. Any doubt in that? Any doubt? If you have, then you can write. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Prakhar, Daman, please write down. Am I audible? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Keshav. Good morning, Prakhar, Daman. Good morning. Just write down, am I audible and my screen is visible or not? Okay, so we are going to start. So let me share my tally screen. Today we are going to start. In the previous session, we learned how can we create the ledgers, and now today we are going to start the transactions. Okay, so let me share my tally screen.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what's the issue?
Ma'am, actually continuous, it's a repeated it. Like when I like speak now, then after like few times it is repeating the same thing.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Okay, just wait, huh? Just wait.
Okay, fine. You continue
So
the class.
okay. So today we are going to learn how can we enter the transactions. Yes. Sorry. See, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's fine. Like I can only see one, I can only hear once only.
Are you, ma'am? Do you checked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's fine. You can.
Now see, ma'am, just mute yourself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to create a one company. C : This is my location where we have to create the company. And then the company name is transactions. Example. Madhya Pradesh. And I'm saving it. Huh? Just press Control A. Control A is a shortcut key to save the where you are to save the window, press Control A. Control A is a shortcut key. It is common for all. Everywhere you can press the Control A whenever you want to save the screen. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to write here some transactions. For example, this is the first transaction and the company name is Damru Enterprises. This is the first transaction. The transaction is business started with cash. Business started with cash. Okay, and it's a 10 lakh rupees. So what will be the entry? I'm sure everybody knows the what will be the entry. What will be the entry? The entry will be cash to capital. That means two ledgers will be affected. One is cash account and second one is capital account. So whenever we create a company, first of all, we need to alter the company name. So from here, you can alter the company name, alter, then Damru Enterprises. So the two ledgers will be affected. One is cash account and second one is capital account. As we have seen already, by default, two ledgers are created by Tally itself and 28 groups are created by Tally itself. As we have already seen. Voucher type, we already seen how many voucher types are there by default. By default, there are 24 voucher types. Now the next is we have to create the capital account because cash is already created. So no, there is no need to create the cash account. So just create a capital account. Ledger capital account. Under which I'm sure I told you about the equity group also, but I'm not creating here the equity group. I'm setting it in a capital account. Is it? So after creating the capital account, you have to pass the entry because presently in your balance sheet, no cash is there, no capital is there, anything. So first of all, you have to enter the transaction. Okay. So when I created here the capital account, as you seen, I didn't enter the opening balance. Why? Because my company is going to start today. Fine. So there is no need to enter the opening balance. Now after creating the capital account, you have to enter the transaction. So go to the voucher. Now again we have to see in our PPT how many types of vouchers are there. There are 24 types of vouchers. We have seen there are 24 types of voucher. Is it? So out of that vouchers, 24 vouchers, some vouchers are known as accounting vouchers. Some vouchers are known as accounting vouchers and some vouchers are known as inventory vouchers and some vouchers are known as payroll vouchers and some are known as non-accounting vouchers. So there are basically 4 types of vouchers: accounting voucher, inventory vouchers and non-accounting vouchers and payroll vouchers. So today we will check accounting vouchers only. Today we will check accounting vouchers. So accounting vouchers are those vouchers which take reflect in your accounts. Accounting vouchers are those vouchers which take reflect in your accounts. For example, cash to capital. So when we pass the cash to capital, definitely it will affect your cash account and it will also affect your capital account. So these kind of entries which affect the accounting accounts, they have to pass in the accounting voucher. And accounting vouchers are receipt, payment, contra, general, sale, purchase. So is it? Now the next is we are going to learn the first accounting voucher, that is the receipt accounting voucher. Now first we are going to learn the first accounting voucher, that is the receipt voucher. So receipt voucher, the first of all you have to pass the receipt voucher. So press F6. F6 is a shortcut key for receipt voucher. Just press F6. You can check here that you are pressing the F6 voucher. You are passing the F6 voucher. So F6 is a shortcut key for the receipt voucher. So what will be the entry? Cash to capital. So capital account should be credited by 10 lakh rupees and debited cash account should be debited. Cash is by default created. There is no need to create the cash account. Enter, 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 enter. I'm sure everybody understood. Everybody understood who are doing simultaneously. Please do the entry. Please do the entry. To who are doing the simultaneously entry, please do the entry. Because see, in the previous session, you were saying that you want to do the simultaneously entry. So do the simultaneous entries. Is it? Now the next is. Now the next entry I'm going to pass. So just I'm going to write down here the transaction. That is, suppose in this example, we don't want to enter the inventories. Now what is inventories? Inventories means goods in which we are trading. Inventory means in goods we are trading, but we don't want to we don't want to enter the goods detail. Like for example, in which goods we are doing the transaction, we don't want to enter the goods details. So instead of that, if you don't want to enter the goods detail, so just in the tally, just press F11 key. F11 is a shortcut key for the company feature. And from here, you should disable the maintain inventory, because you don't want to maintain the inventory. So just disable it. Okay, just disable it. Press Ctrl A. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Yes, Debanshu, I'll give you the PPT. Yes, Debanshu, I'll give you the PPT. Plus, make sure whatever I'm telling here, you are getting properly. Is it? Shall I move ahead? Shall I go ahead? Repeat. Okay. Sushma, Sushmita. Okay. Sushmita, actually see, there are two types of company. The first is accounts only and second is inventory only. In a accounts only company, in inventory only company. What is the difference between these two types of companies? If we want to give, if we want, we don't want to provide the inventory details. Okay, we don't want to maintain the inventory details in our accounts. So in that case, you have to follow only the accounts only company. In that case, you have to follow only the accounts only company, right? So from F11, just press F11 key and then disable the inventory features. Disable the inventory features. Okay, let me once again, I'm going to repeat it. Press F11. Then there is an option. First is maintain accounts only and second is maintain inventory. So I want to maintain only the accounts, and then second one is I don't want to maintain the inventory. So just disable it. Just disable it. Is it? Is it clear, Sushmita? Is it clear? Is it clear? Please permit me to go ahead. Is it? Okay, so when we disable the inventory, then only you will get a one kind of masters, that is accounting masters. Later on, we will check the inventory master. So presently, we will check what are the accounting master. We don't want to follow we don't want to enter the details of the inventory. So there should be so just disable the inventory feature. Okay, now the next transaction, first transaction, I'm sure you understood the first transaction, that is cash to capital. Everybody understood the first transaction, that is cash to capital. Giji, F11 means Simon, F11 means company feature. Whatever the company features you want, that should be disabled or enabled by pressing the F11 key. F11 is a shortcut key for company feature. Is it? F11 key is a shortcut key for the company feature. Is it clear, Simon? No, every Aishwarya, it is everywhere, it is there. F11 key is everywhere. F11 key is everywhere. Is it? F11 key is everywhere. Everywhere is F11 key. It is not limited to the student version or like whatever the version we are using. So press F11 key. Try to understand the thing. See, when you press F11 key over here in a gateway of Tele, you are getting the company feature screen. Even when you want to enter the transaction and you are pressing the F11 key, then you will get the same screen. So F11 key is a common key for the company features. Is it? Ray, the voucher creation looks different. Okay, I'm telling you why it is different. Okay. Okay. See, the Ray question is the voucher creation looks different in their system. Why it is? Because there are two modes to enter the transactions. There are two modes to enter the transaction. First is double entry mode and second is single entry mode. In a single entry, receipt, payment and contra. Receipt, payment and contra. One account is common. In a receipt, payment and contra, cash and bank is common. Everywhere you have to take the cash. If you are passing the receipt entry, then cash account will be debited. If you are passing the payment entry, then cash account will be credited. If you are passing the contra entry, then cash can be debit, cash can be credit, bank can be debit, bank can be. So by default, it knows the one account should be debited or credited. So it always it is giving you this kind of mode. If you don't want this mode, then change the mode from here, double accounting mode. Is it? Now I'm sure the Ray question is clear. Is it? I'll tell you all the shortcut keys. Please do the simultaneously. Control A is used for the save. Is it? Is it? Okay, now, okay. Now the next transaction I want to enter, that is, suppose purchased cash purchases for 5 lakh rupees. 50,000. Okay, cash purchases for 50,000. Okay, for goods purchased with cash. Just a minute, I need to correct it. Goods purchased with cash. Is it? So the entry will be purchase account debit to cash account. So what accounts will be affected? Purchase and cash. Cash is already created. So purchase account you need to create. So just create a purchase account. Create ledger, then purchase account. And here it should be under purchase. It should be under purchase. There is no need to enter the opening balances because this is the fresh company which we started today. So when I press Ctrl A, the purchase account is saved. Now voucher, press F9. F9 is a shortcut key for purchase. F9 is a shortcut key for purchase. And there should be the one bill number. So suppose that is bill number 01, enter. And suppose the transaction happens on 2nd April. So F2 is used for the date change. Then 2nd April. And party name is cash because We purchased on cash, so party name should be cash. Then purchase 50,000. Is it 50,000? Is it clear? Is it clear? Allow me to go ahead. Purchase to cash. Yes. Okay. See, day book. Then recently I passed this entry. Just check entry. Entry is purchase to cash. This is the purchase to cash entry, and here is a party name. But if you don't want the party name, then you can change the mode, change mode. There are two modes: accounting, invoice, and voucher. I want as a voucher. See, purchase to cash. Is it? So it depends upon the mode. It's not like that in your screen is different, in my screen is different. It depends upon the mode. You can change the mode from here. Two modes are there. One is invoice mode and second is accounting mode. Right? Clear? Ishwarya? Anuj, see, in a tally, it's not compulsory, but as per the our accounting system, we have to mention the narration. We have to write down the narration. If you are attending my tally class, then it is enough. It is enough. Is it? Okay. So the next transaction, okay, I'm going to write down the narration over here. Cash purchased. Enter, enter. Now the next is again next transaction that should happen. That should enter. That is on 1st May. 1st May. Here also. On 1st May, rent deposited. Rent deposited. How much amount? 25,000. Can you explain? Can you answer me what will be the entry? Okay, so the entry will be rent deposited to cash. Now we have to create the rent deposited account, but rent deposited account under which group should be? The nature of rent deposited and deposit and assets. So now there is no need to press escape and go to the gateway of tally, and then you have to create the ledger from here. While entering the voucher, and this entry will be in the payment voucher. So just press F5. This entry will be in the payment voucher. Just press F5. Now no ledger is created named rent deposit. So just press Alt C. Alt C is a shortcut key to create the ledger while entering the transaction. Alt C is a shortcut key to create the ledger while entering the transaction. Is it clear? Is it clear? Ma'am, I'm not able to go to the purchase vouchers. Why? Press F9 for purchase voucher. Yes, Tanisha. Yes, Vansh. Good, very good. Yes, entry will be rent to cash. But rent is not our expenses. Rent deposited is there. Remember, there is rent deposited. So rent deposited in our deposit and assets. So rent account should be created under the deposits and assets. So named it rent deposit. When we create the rent expenses, then we will named it rent expenses. Is it? Yes. So from here you can create directly you can create the ledger from here. So while entering the payment voucher, this should be entered in the payment voucher. This should be entered in the payment voucher because we are making the payment now. So payment voucher should be there. We are making the payment, so payment voucher should be there. So just press Alt C. What should be the debited? That is rent deposit account under deposit and assets. Control A. Then how much we are paying? We deposited the 25,000. So 25,000. Enter cash. Is it? Now this happens on 1st May. So F2 1st May. Enter rent deposited. Enter. Is it? Just check, please. Okay, check the entry and enter the entry. Is it? Shall I move it? Okay, so I'm pressing Control A. Control A for save. Then again go to the vouchers. Any doubt, please? Any doubt? I'm not mute. I'm not mute. Am I audible, Ayan? Ayan, am I audible? Aishwarya, check your net connection. I'm not mute. Okay, so I'm moving ahead. So we enter the first transaction we enter, that is cash to capital. Second transaction we enter for the purchase. Third transaction we enter for the rent deposit. Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear, everybody? Okay, now the next transaction happens, that is on 2nd May. Okay, amount deposited in Bank of Baroda to open a saving account. Okay, current account. How much amount you entered? You deposited, that is 5 lakh rupees. Is it 5 lakh rupees? So how we can create? What will be the entry for the transaction? What will be the entry for the transaction? What will be the entry for the transaction? Okay, cash to bank. Very good. Very good, Avinash. Avishri. Very good. Appreciate it. So cash to bank. And what kind of voucher it is? It is the contra entry. It is the contra entry. Contra entry, receipt entry, payment entry. That is the voucher types. Contra entry on contra voucher you have to enter. Receipt entry you have to pass in the receipt voucher. Payment entry you have to pass in the payment voucher. So just press F4. F4 is a shortcut key for the contra. F4 is a shortcut key for the contra. So cash credit, that is 5 lakh rupees. Enter debit. Now no bank account is there, so Alt C. Bank of Baroda account. And that is Bank CC, that is OCC, because this is your. Okay, and if it is saving account, then just take in the bank account. Then you have to mention the account number, IFSC code, everything. Later on we will check. Control A, enter. Now denomination. Currency you have to enter. Like 2,000 currencies are 20. So it is 40,000. So 200. It is 4 lakh. And it is 100. Now the 5 lakh is completed. Press Control A, Control A. Cash deposited in bank. Enter, enter. I'm sure the contra entry, everybody completed the contra entry. Abhishek, we are not talking about the unit. So why you are asking for the unit? Presently, we are not maintaining the inventory. Is it? Deposits, it should be deposited in assets. There is a one question. Diptiman. Rent deposited under which head? That is deposit in assets. Okay. Shall I move ahead? Now the next transaction I am going to write down here. That is on 1st June. Purchased. Purchases from Charles. That is 75,300. 75,300. Then what will be the entry? Purchase to Charles, and Charles is our creditor. Purchase to Charles, and Charles is our creditor. Purchase is already created, so you have to create the Charles account. Is it clear? Purchase to Charles. The transaction will be purchase to Charles. Purchase to Charles. Purchase to Charles. Then Charles will be under sundry creditor. So we have to enter the entry in the purchase F9. Purchase F9. Now you have to assign a one bill number because you want to maintain the bill wise detail. You want to maintain the bill wise detail. Then party name here you should create the Charles account. Alt C. Charles account under sundry creditor. Do it, do it. I'm waiting. Do it. So I'm sure everybody created the Charles account under sundry creditor. Then remembered maintains balance bill by bill. It should be yes, because we want to maintain according to the bill wise detail. So 15 days should be the credit period. That is, it is given under the company policy. How many days for credit periods? Okay, how many days creditor allows for the credit? So it allows for the credit 15 days. Then control A, control A, control A. Now particulars, that is purchase account. Enter how much amount is 75,300. Enter. Make sure you are doing simultaneously, please. Charles account debit, how it is possible? Creditors cannot be debited. Purchase to creditors. When you make the payment, then Charles to cash, na? No, general voucher. See, it is the rules of the accounting system, accounting softwares. Whenever you are purchasing, then you have to enter the entry in the purchase, Ashutosh, because our accounts will be audited. So Ashutosh, every time you have to select the types of entry. If you are passing the purchase entry, then it should be in the purchase voucher. If you are passing the payment entry, then it should be in the payment voucher. General voucher is only for the adjustment entries, Ashutosh. Paul, you for the time being, you have to use the voucher mode. Akash, if you want to edit the entry, then go to the day book. Go to the day book. Charles account. Okay, okay, okay. I'm showing you the Charles account again. See? Is it? So after pressing the Control A, you have to debit the purchase account. See, if you don't want to check this mode, this is the accounting mode, then from here you can change the mode, voucher mode. Then you will get the debit credit option now. So though if you are beginner, then you have to check the voucher mode, because you used to check this debit credit now. Is it? As voucher. Is it clear? Now, after like entering at the end, enter, enter. Is it? Here you will get the one screen, that is method of adjustment. While entering the amount for the charge, then here you are getting the one screen, that is method of adjustment. So method of adjustment is a very much useful for the bill wise details. When you want to follow the bill wise detail, then you have to be very careful while selecting the references. This screen occurs because when you created the Charles account, you set it yes here, that is maintain bill wise detail. When you set it yes here, then only you are getting this screen. Which one? That is this one. So in case of advance payment, then you have to select the advance payment, but we are not making the payment right now. This is not advance. So against reference we cannot take. So there should be new reference. On account means we don't want to follow the bank. We don't want to follow the bill wise entry. So here should be the new reference. Enter, enter, enter. That is bill number 1. Enter, 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 enter. Now I'm sure everybody enter this entry. It's just for the display purpose. It's just for the display purpose, Ashutosh. There is no difference. Is it? Now on 2nd May, the same transaction happens. Second, okay, this is for 1st June. So I should, if I want to alter the entry, then go to the day book, go to the same entry, press F2. That is 1st June. 1st June. Now vouchers. Now we want to enter the 2nd June entry. So on 2nd June, again purchases from Charles. Bill number 02. And how much amount? That is 1,50,000. Okay. Is it? So we have to pass same entry. Bill number 02. Then here should be the Charles account should be credited. Control A, 1,50,000. In the reference, I should provide that is bill number 02. That is bill number 02. Is it? Completed the entry. Enter, 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 enter. Now purchase account should be debited in purchases. Now the previous narration, if you want to repeat the previous narration, then press Control R. Control R is a shortcut key to repeat the previous narration. But it is cash purchased. So it should be purchased from Charles. Enter, enter. Is it clear? Clear? So Aishwarya, there is no need to create the Charles account. Just pass the entry. I show you the entry now. Is it completed, Aishwarya? Answer me, Aishwarya. Is it? Now next, moving to the next. Now the next transaction is on 1st July. Okay. Cash sales for 80,000. 80,000. So what will be the entry? Tell me the entry. The entry will be say cash to sales. The entry will be cash to sales. So two accounts will be affected. One is cash and second one is sales. Cash is already created. So you need to create the sales account. Is it? Is it clear? Ledger alter shortcut key. Control enter. Abhishek. Control enter. CTRL plus enter. Alteration shortcut key. What Kaushik? Kaushik, what you want? Yes, cash to sales. So first of all, you have to press F8. F8 is a shortcut key for sales. F8 is a shortcut key for sales. F2 for date change. 1/7, 1st July. Is it? Now cash account debit. Then Alt C. You have to create the material sales account. Material sales account. Enter. Enter. Is it under sales? It should be under sales. Then 80,000. Write down the narration. Material sales with cash. Enter. Is it? Is it? Please do it. Do it. Do it. Everybody. Everybody. Completed the entry. Cash sales entry completed. Cash sales entry. Entry completed. Now, so I'm going to press Control A. I'm going to press Control A. Control A is a shortcut key for save. Okay. Now the next entry. Next entry. Then 2nd July. So sales to JB Donaldson. How much amount? That is 1,25,000. Enter. Okay. So here should be the invoice number 1. So I should enter the entry. How I can enter the entry? That is on 2nd July. So first of all, again press F8 and F2 for 2nd July. Then party name, I don't have the party name, so Alt C. JB Donaldson account. It should be under sundry debtor. Maintain bill-wise detail, that is compulsory. 15 days credit period. Because we want to maintain the balance bill by bill. So 15 days is a credit period. Press Ctrl A. Ctrl A, Ctrl A. Then sales account. Sales. Enter. 1,25,000. Enter. 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 Then bill number. Invoice number 01. Okay. Invoice number 01. Is it? Fine. Enter, 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 enter. Is it clear? Please make sure all the entries you entered correctly. Yes, Debbie Donaldson account debit to sales. Yes, very good, Sushmita. And Debbie Donaldson is our debtor. Don't worry about the attendance. MS team will automatically manage the attendance. Just concentrate on the tally. Don't take tension on the. Don't take the tension for the attendance. It will be automatically submitted by the MS team through which we are logging. Okay. Okay. Now the next is again say the same transaction happened on 1st of August. Sales to JB Donaldson. Again invoice number 02. And it is for 75,000. So same entry will be same entry. You should enter the same entry. First press F2, 1st August. Then party name is JB Donaldson. Control A, Control A. No ledger will be created because every ledger we already created. That is material sales. 80,000. Enter, enter, enter. Now bill number is invoice number 02. I'm sure everybody is getting. Everybody is getting. Yes, yes, yes. We will show that question at the end. You should take that screenshot. Everybody is getting now what entries I have entered. Is it? Now press Control A. Okay, after entering the reference, press cut. If you want to make the narration again, recall the name Control R. Then from to JB Donaldson. Enter, enter. Make sure you entered correctly. Make sure you entered correctly, please. Don't worry. If you not attended the first class, then do the simultaneously whatever I am doing here. Done now? Done? Now the next. Next. And that is again very important that on 1st, 2nd of August, Okay, 2nd of August, made the payment to the Charles against bill number 01. And how much payment we made? 50,000, only 50,000. Then how we can pass the entry? F5. F5 is a shortcut key for payment. F5 is a shortcut key for payment. Is it? F5 is a shortcut key for payment. F5 is a shortcut key for the payment. Don't worry about the attendance, please. Concentrate on the tally screen. Why you are worried about the attendance? It will be automatically taken by the HO, na? It's not our area. It's their area. Shivam, don't take the tension for the attendance. We are live. So please think about. When you live, then automatically the attendance will be there, na? See, I can check. I'm having the 440 students. And who are login or who are not, I can check. Okay, because you are online. Don't take. Right? So now payment should be made to the Charles. So first of all, F5 for the payment, F2 for the 2nd August. Then Charles should be credited. Enter. And immediately you will get this screen. If you are not getting this screen, then press F12. F12 is a shortcut key for the configuration. F12 is a shortcut key for the configuration. There is an option pre-allocated bills for receipt payment in general. That should be yes. You should set it yes. Pre-allocated bills for payment received in general. Then you will get this screen immediately. Then you have two bills against the Charles. The first is 75,300 and second is 1,50,000. But you are making the payment against the first bill, that is bill number 1. And how much amount you are paying? 50,000. Enter, enter, enter. To cash. Is it clear? This screen should be clear, na? Against bill. Against bill is a very important thing. Do it. Against bill is a very important thing. Is it? Do it, do it, do it. I'm waiting. Is it? Enter. Then enter, 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 enter. Anybody finding the difficulty? Anybody find the difficulty while making the payment? Avishri, there is an option pre-allocated bills for payment contra in general. That should be yes. See, there will be no recorded lectures. So you have to attend regularly. You have to attend regularly because this is the live class. Ritika, this is the live class. Is it? Shall I move ahead? Shortcut key for narration. To recall the last short narration, Control R. Control R. Is it completed? Make sure. Make sure. Done, ma'am. Go ahead. Nitika, what do you want to repeat, ma'am? When we will get the PDF, if that when I'm unable to record the. Yes, tele exam will be there. See, this is the entry. You have to pass this entry. I'm telling you. Payment entry F5. F5. Is it? So shall I move it? Control A. Now the next entry is receive the payment. Same on 2nd August. Received the ICICI bank check of amount from check from JB Donaldson. And the amount is 1 lakh rupees. Then what will be the entry? Come on fast. What will be the entry? Receive the ICICI bank check and the check number is 001 from JB Donaldson. The amount is 1 lakh rupees. Too far. Come on fast. What will be the entry? Tell me the entry, please. Okay. What will be the entry? Bank to JB Donaldson. Yes, our bank should be debited. That is Bank of Baroda. So again press F6 for receipt. Then Bank of Baroda, JB Donaldson should be credited. Against which reference? Definitely from against bill invoice number 01. And how much amount he paid? 1 lakh rupees. Enter, enter, enter. Then Bank of Baroda. Our bank is Bank of Baroda. So here you have to mention the instrument number. Then ICICI Bank. Is it? Do the entry, please. Do the entry, please. No, ICICI Bank should not be debited, Rajiv. Remembered, ICICI Bank is not our bank. Our bank is Bank of Baroda. So we should debit our bank, Bank of Baroda. This will be the entry. And here you have to maintain the bill wise detail against which reference you are getting invoice number 01. Is it? Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed for the next? Shall we proceed for the next? Enter, 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 enter. Completed the transaction. Is it? Now the next is on 2nd August, rent paid by issuing a check number 100. How much amount we paid? 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees rent paid by issuing a check number 1000. 50,000. What will be the entry? What will be the entry? Rent paid by issuing a check number 1000. What will be the entry? What will be the entry? Rent expenses debit to bank. Rent expenses debit to bank. Yes. So rent expenses we have to create, but this entry can be in the payment voucher. So F5 is for payment. Then Alt C, just create a rent expenses account under indirect expenses. This is the new head, indirect expenses. Is it? Indirect expenses, Control A. How much amount you paid? 50,000 by issuing a Bank of Baroda should be credited 50,000. And your check number is 1000. Enter, enter. Later on, we will see how can we manage the checkbook. Is it? Rent paid. Enter. Please check the transaction. Check the transaction. Completed. Rent expenses to bank because we issued the Bank of Baroda check. See, rent deposited is a different thing. That is our advances in assets because we paid the advances. आपको पता नहीं है आप लोग रेंट पे घर लेते हो तो एडवांस देते हो कि नहीं, हॉस्टल लेते हो तो हॉस्टल में एडवांस पे करते हो कि नहीं, बट रेंट तो पे करना पड़ता है ना एवरी मंथ. So rent deposit is a different thing. Please remember the students, rent deposited in the different thing. You have to create the rent expenses again. That is your indirect expenses. That will reflect your P&L account. Is it? That will reflect your P&L account. See, Sanjay, rent deposit is a different thing. Rent expenses you have to create, Sanjay. Is it? Shall I proceed? Please check again. See, here is a rent expenses account I created. Okay, I created a rent expenses account under indirect expenses. You should check under indirect expenses. Right? Now rent expenses debit to bank. Enter, enter, enter. Rent paid. Enter. Is it clear? Should I proceed for the next? Control enter for the alteration. Rakshita, control enter for the alteration. Control enter is a shortcut key for the alter. Should I proceed for the next? Because you haven't passed the contra entry, Rohan. If it is in red color, that's mean your bank balance is negative. Later on, we will pass. See, just pass the contra entry, automatically it will adjust. Rohan, pass the contra entry. So rent expenses paid. Now the next is on 1st September, interest, bank interest received. Bank interest received. How much? 250 rupees. Then what will be the entry? What will be the entry? Bank interest received. What will be the entry? Then deposited should not be credited. Why? Because it is our deposit with our landlord. What will be the entry? The entry will be bank account debit to bank interest. That is our income, that indirect income. So press F2. That is 1st September. And it should be the contra entry. Sorry. Extremely sorry. It is not contra entry. It should be the receipt entry. F6. Alt C, bank interest account. That is our indirect income. Control A, 250 rupees. Enter. Bank of Baroda should be debited. That's it. Is it? No details for the bank check number or what? Interest received. Enter. Is it? Is it clear? Interest received. Yes, bank to interest. Very good, very good, very good. Everybody replied the corrected. Entry is correct, but it should be passed in the receipt entry. Is it? Bank interest should be created under indirect income. Yes, very good. Appreciated, appreciated everybody. Is it clear? Is it? Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed? Allow me to go ahead. Pass the entry, pass this entry, pass this entry. Is it? Do it fast. And reply me fast. Interest account should not be debited, Sumita. That is not our indirect expenses. That is our indirect income. Income should be credited. Don't forget about the nominal account rule. The nominal account rule is credit all the income and gains. Okay, Sushmita? Thank you, Nikunj. Thank you. What problem you are facing, Nikunj? Tell me in the clear and concise way. What problem you are facing? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Nikunj, is there any problem? What problem you are facing in your laptop? You install the Tally or not? You install the Tally or not? Thank you for the compliment, but please reply me. You install the Tally or not? Okay, I'm sure now you don't have the problem. So that's why you're not giving me any reply. Okay, now the next transaction is very important. Just concentrate on that. See, again on 2nd September, cash purchase for rupees 75,000 and received cash discount 5%. That's mean what? What will be the entry? What will be the entry? Cash purchase for rupees 75,000 and received cash discount 5%. What will be the entry? Students, fast answer me. How to in the practical way in our laptop and how to work in a Tally, and yes, if I have installed. But how to work on Tally, it's a little bit confused. And why? From very beginning, I given you the understanding you have to create a first company. Purchase to cash to discount received. Very good, Avishri. Very good. Purchase to cash in. Cash purchase is a cash discount. It will be effect in the P&L. Purchase account debit to cash account debit to discount account credit. Very good, very good, very good. Good, 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 good. Great. So again, it should be the entry should be in the purchase entry. F9. F9 and F2 is a shortcut key for change the date, voucher date. No need to mention here the invoice number because this is the cash purchase. Cash. Party name should be cash, then purchase account. How much it is? How much it is? So Alt C for the auto calculator. Alt C for the auto calculator. 75,000 multiplied by 95%. Please see how I press here the Alt C. In the amount I press the Alt C for the auto calculator. Enter. Then Alt C for the creation, ledger creation. Discount received account. It should be under indirect income. And the discount is 5%. 5%. Enter. Purchase account should be 75,000. And here the minus 5%. Enter. See? Again, I'm going to tell you the entry, voucher. No need to mention here the invoice number. Party name should be cash. Control A, Control A. Then purchase. How much purchase? 75,000. Okay, later on we will understand the Alt C. Please forget about that. Then discount received. Minus 5. Why minus? Because discount always be in the minus. Because we paid only the 71,250. Do it fast. Do it fast. Yes, I'll share, Madhuri. Don't worry about that. I'll share everything. Do the entry, same entry. Do the entry. Is it completed? Is it completed? Complete. Can you please share all the shortcut? Yes, I will share now. Gungun, very good, Gungun. Discount should be there, na? Purchase to cash to discount. Is it completed, the entry? Enter, enter, enter. Cash, purchase. Enter. Now the next entry. Next entry. That is on 1st October. Cash, sales. Just opposite entry. For rupees 1 lakh. And allow the discount 5%. Allow the discount 5%. Then sales. First of all, you should change the date. 2nd October. F8. Then cash, part name is cash. Control A, Control A. Material sales. That is 1 lakh rupees. Enter. Now you have to create the another account for the cash discount. So Alt C. Discount allowed. And it should be under indirect expenses. Enter. Minus 5%. Same. See? Do the same entry, please. Do the same entry, please. Completed. Transaction is completed. Very good. Cash debit discount 5,000 to sales. Yes, very good. Done, Prakar. Great, great, great. Appreciated, appreciated. Very good. Ashutosh, yes. You created the discount allowed account in the under indirect expenses or not? Created the discount allowed account? Tanisha, thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Thank you, Tanisha. Thank you. There are around 500 attendees. So why others are silent? Only 10 or 12 students interact with me. Rest? Where are rest? 500 attendees. Out of 500 attendees, I am getting only 20 or 25 interactions. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Okay. So next is the next transaction, that is almost we are at the end. So 1 lakh 1st November paid to Charles. How much amount Charles? How much amount is remaining for the Charles? How we can check? In a tally, there you should press Control N. Control N, the shortcut key for the calculator. Here you have to write the Charles. Charles. Enter. What is the Charles balance? 1,75,300. How much remaining balance is? 1,75,300. Anna. Now we paid Charles account. Paid to Charles 1,75,000 as full and final payment. That's mean what? The remaining amount was 1 lakh. The remaining amount was 1,75,300. But we paid 1,75,000. So rest is discount. Is it? Rest is discount. Is it clear? Anybody have doubt? No issue, Aishwarya. Just like make the notes also. Is it clear? How you can check the Charles account balance? By pressing the Control and write down the Charles, but spelling should be correct. Then you will get the Charles account balance. Now I'm making the payment. So F5 is a shortcut key for payment. To whom you are paying? Charles. Enter. Against. So we have to complete all the references. Enter, 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 enter. Against reference. 2 references you have to take. All the references we have because we are giving the amount as a full and final payment. We are paying the amount as a full and final payment. So all 2 references should be taken. Is it? Enter, enter, enter. Then cash. How much cash you paid? 1,75,000. Rest is your discount. Discount received. Is it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Do the entry, please. Very good. Very good. Enter. Paid to Charles. Enter, enter. Now we completed the Charles account. Now the next is same entry. I am repeating it. 2 second 11 received. Now we want to check the JB Donaldson balance. So again Control N. JB Donaldson account. How much balance is? 1,05,000. 1,05,000. So received check from JB Donaldson. How much amount? 1,04,500 as full and final payment. So received entry F6. Enter. यहाँ क्लिक कर दोगे तो ऊपर आ जाएगा F6. Then credit the JB Donaldson. Select all the references, whatever the references are remaining, and enter. Debit the Bank of Baroda 1,04,500. Enter. Then check number is 002 of ICICI Bank. So rest is discount allowed. Enter. Do the entry, please. Do the entry, please. I'm sure today, by attending the today lecture, you came to know how can we enter the transactions in the tally. F6 is used for the receipt. Yes, very good, Tuhin, very good. Appreciated. Now the so many students are interactive. Very good. I expect out of 500, at least 250 students should be interactive. Is it clear? Shall I proceed? Allow me to proceed next. Very good, Ritik. Okay, now enter, enter, enter. Is it clear? Check the P&L, please. This is P&L account, Alt F1 for detail mode. Net loss is there, 16,500. Check the P&L, press Alt F1 for detail mode. Now we want to enter the closing stock. This is the last entry. Closing stock. Okay. I'm giving here 31st March closing stock evaluated rupees 45,000. That's it. Is it? So create. By creating an account, I cannot enter the entry. Closing stock की कोई entry नहीं होती. Create an account, ledger, stock account, and it should be in a stock in hand. It is asking for the opening balance. Closing balance it is not asking. It is asking for the opening balance. So please don't enter the opening balance here. Don't enter the opening balance here. Created the stock account. Should I move for the next? After pressing the Control A, then you have to press Alter Ledger Stock Account. And here it is asking for the closing balance 31st March. How much it is? 45,000. Is it? Yashasvi, it is giving on the Gateway of Tally P&L. Press Alt F1 for detail mode. Closing stock के लिए stock account बनाना पड़ेगा. It should be under stock in hand. Then alter, go to the alter, then closing balance 31st March 26, 45,000 debit balance. You should not change the debit or credit. Automatically Tally will be taken by, it will be taken by the Tally automatically. Debit and credit. Is it? Enter, enter, enter. Now you can check in the P&L. Now P&L is showing only for the 1st April to 2nd October. Press Alt F2 for complete period. See. Now your net profit is 28,500. Now the time for the query. Anybody have some query? If you have some query, then if you can raise the query right now, then you can. Otherwise, next day I'll resolve it. Okay. Do the things. Process of closing stock. See, the first one is you have to create the stock account. Okay. Create stock account. For example, stock account. It should be in the stock in hand. No need to enter here the opening balance. Is it? No need to enter here the opening balance. After creating the stock account, go to the alter, ledger, then stock. Then you will check this screen. Here you have to press the end of the year. And then 45,000. No need to press debit and credit again. Then go to the P&L and press Alt F2 for the complete period, 31st March 26. Enter. Now enjoy your P&L. Now your P&L is 28,500. Is it? Is it clear? So take the screenshot of this question. Take the screenshot of this question. Take the screenshot of this question, please. Take the screenshot of question. Is it? Take the screenshot. Okay. I sent you, please check. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. We'll meet again, but please make sure you completed the like today's session, today's question, right? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care.